All right, for this week, we're going to be practicing reading and keeping financial records. Now, this isn't something we've technically done yet this year. We are supposed to be doing a unit on budgeting at the end of the year, so we're going to do some of it here. This first video is going to be about reading financial records, and the second video will be on keeping financial records. So, example number 1 says this is Wyatt's complete financial record for May. And the question is, how much money did Wyatt have after he bought a smoothie? All right, so throughout May, Wyatt made or received he did three different things. Okay, on May 3rd, it looks like he bought some sneakers because it's an expense. On May 6th, he bought a smoothie. And then on May 18th, he did some yard work and he received money. So he got paid money. But our question says, how much money did Wyatt have after he bought a smoothie? All right, so we need to be looking at this line of our table. So he bought the smoothie, which was $4.80. Okay, since he bought the smoothie, that means that's money that's being subtracted from his available funds. So when we subtracted the $4.80, this is how much was left. $177.75. Okay, so no math work involved here, just reading the financial record and writing down the correct number. Example number 2 says this is Noah's complete financial record for February. And the question is, how much more money did Noah spend on February 11th than on February 1st? Okay, so how much more money did he spend on February 11th than February 1st? Okay, so on February 1st, he bought a box of cereal and spent $2.35. On February 11th, he bought a jazz album for his grandfather, which was $16.95. All right, so we're figuring out how much more money did he spend. So here we need to do some math work. We can take the $16.95 he spent on the 11th and subtract the $2.35 he spent on February 1st. Okay, you can either do that in your head or type it into your calculator. If we type it in, we get an answer of $14.60. This would be the answer that we would type in the answer box. All right, so this was still a reading a financial record example, but we did have to do some math work, all right? So be ready for that.